Are you looking for a reliable and professional hardwood flooring company in Aurora, Colorado? Do you want to transform your home with beautiful and durable hardwood floors? If so, you need to contact Brothers Flooring, the experts in hardwood flooring installation and refinishing. Hardwood flooring. Aurora has been serving the Aurora community for over 20 years, providing high-quality hardwood flooring services at affordable prices. We have a team of skilled and experienced craftsmen who can handle any hardwood flooring project, big or small. Whether you need to install new hardwood floors, refinish your existing ones, or repair any damages, we have the tools and the know-how to get the job done right. What sets us apart from other hardwood flooring companies is our commitment to customer satisfaction and excellence. We offer free estimates, flexible scheduling, and a limited warranty on all our work. We also use only the best materials and equipment, ensuring that your hardwood floors will last for years to come. Plus, we have a wide range of hardwood flooring options to suit your style and budget. Whether you prefer traditionals, luxury vinyl plank, laminate, exotics, or bamboo, we have it all. Don't wait any longer to get the hardwood floors of your dreams. Contact us from the link in the description today and let us take care of everything. You can call us or visit our website below to learn more about our services and request a free estimate. We are simply the best choice for hardwood flooring in Aurora, Colorado.